Hi everybody, I'm Shah Rukh Khan.
And I'm Alia Bhatt, and
And you
you're
are watching
watching
Bollywood
Bollywood
Hungama.
Hungama.
He is Shah Rukh Khan, but he is also somebody whom I have loved and admired all my life as an actor, star, and celebrity, or as a person. That's what Alia Bhatt has said in a recent event about Shah Rukh Khan. So they're having a wonderful mutual admiration society right now, and their movie is coming up. Tremendous promos. Huge pleasure to have you guys on board right now, first of all, sir, and Alia.
Thank you very much, Faridun.
And sir, how you? This एकदम ताज़ा इन्होंने बोला है अभी किसी इवेंट में, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में सर?
मैं तो ये कहूँगा ये mesmerizing है, hypnotizing है. ये मुझे इनके साथ काम करके बहुत खुशी हुई और इसलिए नहीं कि बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस हैं, बट मुझे इनसे सीखने को बहुत मिला है और इनका सीन्स के बारे में, फिल्म के बारे में, हर चीज़ के बारे में एक अलग टेक है जिसका मुझे इतना ज्ञान नहीं. सो एज एन एक्टर टू एक्टर, उम्र की बात अलग है, एक्सपीरियंस की बात अलग है. मुझे हमेशा ऐसा बिलीफ है कि जो दो एक्टर मिलते हैं तो सिर्फ एक्टर होते हैं.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So it was an experience where I'm taking back a lot from her, and I'm really happy to have done this film. और मैं ऐसा अमूमन बोलता नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं बहुत दिल से बोल रहा हूँ. बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म है और वो खूबसूरती जो है गौरी और आलिया की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा है. It's like I said, mesmerizing.
Right, mesmerizing. So the king of romance is calling you mesmerizing. So आपका क्या रिएक्शन होगा? First आपके thoughts क्या हैं? We can.
I see, honestly, it's a very surreal experience, this whole thing. Even doing a film with him, sitting and doing interviews with him, going on coffee with Karan with him, all those things, it's all surreal. It's very, very, it's very, very weird. Not weird in a bad way, but weird in a good way, because that's something that, you know, when you look forward to something and you actually have it happen in your life.
Your
Yeah,
sensation, right?
ho jata hai.
Like fantasizing.
But yeah, but to hear this word mesmerizing, you know, hypnotizing, any of this, it's again, it's not normal.
So, but do you feel that she looks like 18, 19, but she's got a maturity which is way beyond her years? Do you feel that, Liz? You work with her. She has an old soul in her. Do you feel that?
Personally, ऐसा नहीं लगता मुझे. As an actor, there is an amazing amount of maturity. और मैं बार-बार सबको यही बोलता हूँ कि एक्टर की जो एज होती है उससे उनकी एक्टिंग की मैच्योरिटी गेज करना बहुत गलत बात है. आई थिंक वो गलत फहमी है. अगर ये यंग हैं तो इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं करेंगे. That's why you'll find sometimes, you know, 7-year-old kids act so well.
Yeah.
Because उनकी फीलिंग रॉ होती है, असली होती है और वो उस बात को बेधड़क बोल सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक आलिया की क्वालिटी कि वो अपने जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, और सबके एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं, सबका दिल टूटता है, सब खुश होते हैं, सब दुखी होते हैं. छोटा बच्चा जो होता है खिलौने की टॉय को देखकर खुश हो जाता है, लेकिन खुशी वही होती है जो शायद तुमको होती है रोमांस करके या शादी करके या प्यार करके, वो खुशी खुशी होती है. सो ये बोलना कि छोटी उम्र में एक्सपीरियंस नहीं, सबको 5, 6, 7 इमोशंस आते ही हैं. और आई थिंक शी इज़ एबल टू ब्रिंग देम फोर्थ, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज शी ब्रिंग्स देम फोर्थ not like someone else you've seen before. She bring them forth like Alia Bhatt, which is new, which is nice, which is unique.
So, by maturity, I meant that maturity as a person as well. You know, what I find fascinating about her, mesmerizing about her, is that she has this unique capability to laugh at herself, which I think many people, they don't develop by many ages actually. So I meant primarily from that. She can be quite sensitive as well. Do you feel that?
I think if you are an actor of a caliber, even if I've known her now for like say 1.5 years, well enough to talk about her. Of course, I didn't know her before that, but in that 1.5 year, you know, you realize that she's had experiences. There is a certain quality about her which brings this sensitivity to forth. उनकी जो जिंदगी जो हुई है उसमें कुछ अच्छाई है जो वो आगे लाती हैं, अपने आप को सीरियसली नहीं लेती. You know, she can laugh at herself like you said, or at others, which is really bad quality, but yeah, I mean, natural हैं, real हैं और इंशाल्लाह ऐसे ही रहेंगी तो और भी अच्छी एक्टिंग करेंगी. So yeah, I find the company extremely endearing, happy and interesting. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है इनके साथ वक्त गुजारना, apart from having acted with her, because she has all that. मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि इनका old soul है. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं इनके साथ बैठकर गुफ्तगू नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज शी इज of a different age group or whatever. She can be who she wants to be with whoever she finds interesting enough to be with, and which is a brilliant quality as a person, as an actor.
Now, Mr. Khan has said that Alia is too good too soon. I don't want her to get trapped in just doing great acting without experiencing everything in Indian cinema. If you become too good too soon, you may have inhibitions being bad at times. It is wonderful to be bad at the time. Do you find that, apart from the movie that you are learning from him, even in real life, is it like a learning lesson? Do you feel
Absolutely,
that?
absolutely, and I completely agree with him. I feel I also, the thing is, that's the cinema that I also adore, and that's the reason I wanted to become an actor in the first place. So kabhi kya hota hai, what he explained is that when you're doing good performances, you start looking down upon the films that are, that are song and dance and all of that, but actually they are, I find, way harder because that conviction and that attitude is very rare, and it's not everybody's cup of tea, and I've really seen that happen. And that's actually something strangely my father also said to me. And after he saw our episode together, he said, I agree with Shah Rukh. You have to be bad, and by being bad, you have to try everything out, and you have to be able to just drop anything, but just do it and give your 100% at doing it. So I want to do that, and I
I don't know if you remember your dad saying this, or did he say it to me, or did I read it somewhere? I'm not sure. उनकी हाईवे फिल्म आई थी, and भट्ट साहब ने कहीं बोला, या मैंने उनसे बात, I think I was talking to him, and I said, everybody's really liking Alia and highway. He said, I'm just waiting for her to move from the highway to the main road. Highway बड़ा खूबसूरत होता है, scenic होता है, beautiful होता है. We just kind of go for a drive on a highway. मेन रोड पे ट्रैफिक होता है, तकलीफ होती है, बी बी पाँव पाँव फटाचा साउंड्स होती हैं, लेकिन दैट्स आल्सो रोड दैट यू हैव टू टेक, क्योंकि जिंदगी में दोनों रोड्स हैं ना.
Absolutely.
Similarly in acting, and I'm not selling her that doing commercial cinema is good or bad. I'm just saying आप इतने अच्छे एक्टर हो कि हर चीज़ का जायका ज़रूर लेना. And yeah, more often than not, at least I have, she will too, inshallah, go wrong. In a good film also and in a bad film also, which is also all right. ये experiences बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं to an actor to understand their own self, limitations and their goodnesses. So if everybody right now, praises you and everybody's happy with you and you're fantastic, but it's nice to go wrong too, and realize for yourself where you stand from inside. Like how you say, you need to be a bad boy or a bad girl in real life too. You just can't be goody two shoes. So I think in acting that's very important, to go wrong in a cinema which doesn't belong to you. I've done it. कि मैंने ये किया यार, मेरे sensibility का ही नहीं है, मैं उस दुनिया से नहीं हूँ, and I've gone completely wrong on it, and it's really nice too as an actor.
Absolutely. Now, so the promos are wonderful of Dear Zindagi. What I personally gathered, what my thoughts was that.
What did you think of the promo? Describe it in 3 words.
I think they're wonderful. I think they're wonderful. It's something that I will definitely want to just buy the ticket myself and go and watch it.
Otherwise, तू दूसरों से टिकट करवाता है?
नहीं, प्रेस शो में नहीं जाऊंगा. मतलब टिकट लेते हैं. मतलब प्रेस शो में नहीं जाऊंगा. But I'll buy my own
ticket myself
for a change.
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली क्या होता है, some press shows
जेब काट के पैसा लेगा.
Some press shows you feel like that अगर उसमें जो टैक्स जो कॉफी का पैसा अपने आप दिया, you feel like that I want that back. So I'm saying from that perspective. So my question was, somehow some movies they're not about like romance and this and that. It's more about relationship, the way it's flowing like, and it can be any relationship. And if it is just convincing enough, it is something, if it is engaging enough, you would want to just see it. And कभी-कभार ऐसा होता है कि that as a viewer I love watching movies, so that you get totally gripped and you just totally get lost in a certain narrative. This movie looks something like that. Do you feel that this is something that maybe it's time that Indian movies did something like this, that you're exploring relationships more than giving them कि that इसके अंदर एक item होना चाहिए या फिर एक it has to have some romantic angle to it and whatever?
First, I'll tell you, every story is a love story. There is no story in this world which is not a love story. It could be a love story between a man and woman. It can be a love story between a woman and a country. It could be a love story between a sportsman and the sport. Every movie, every story, written or shown or in a poem, is a love story. And love does not just get, it can't be confined to just man-woman, brother-sister, ma or beta. This is a love story. This is a love story which is not a man-woman love story, so to say, though I'm a man and she is a woman. But yeah, there is love between us. There is a relationship between us. सो इसके अंदर जो बातें हैं इस फिल्म के अंदर मुझे बड़ी खूबसूरत लगती हैं। इसमें सिर्फ एक चाइल्ड की बातें नहीं है कि एक बच्चे की, उसके घर वालों की बातें भी हैं। इट्स अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि यार ये समटाइम्स व्हेन आई वाज सीइंग दिस फिल्म माई सेल्फ, इट्स लाइक ओह शी इज सो कंफ्यूज्ड, बट आई रियलाइज द कंफ्यूजन समटाइम्स कम्स फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स and the parents don't realize. So everybody, the parents, her friends, her professional colleagues, it's a beautiful life which is encountering issues and problems and dealing with them ourselves. Not giving you a dramatic ending to it कि ऐसा होगा. Second thing जो तुमने पूछा कि is it time Indian cinema is going to change? Please don't judge the change in life, in cinema, in storytelling by one film. I think the beauty of Indian cinema is everything coexists. So there is this film, Dear Zindagi, which they call Slice of Life, which is beautiful in its own way. And maybe we'll do another film, which may not be Slice of Life, which may just be completely over the top and madness. All coexist. I think that's the beauty of storytelling countries.
Absolutely.
And that's why we make so many films. क्योंकि इतनी सारी कहानियाँ कहने को हैं. मैं बड़ा सा डर जाता हूँ यार जब लोग ये सब बोलने लगते हैं सिनेमा चेंजिंग. ये चेंज नहीं हो सकता है यार. हम सब लोगों के अलग अलग टेस्ट हैं. तो आपको ये अच्छा लगती है, अट्रैक्टिव लगती है, इनको कुछ और, तो इनका भी चॉइस बहुत ही अच्छा है.
बिल्कुल.
मुझे एकदम पागल पिक्चर अच्छी लगती है, मुझे नॉनसेंसिकल पिक्चर अच्छी लगती है, बट हु आर यू और मी टू जज मी.
जी बिल्कुल.
मुझे अच्छी लगती है. सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम विल कोएग्जिस्ट. नो चेंज इज कमिंग. द चेंज इज that cinema is so varied. That is a great change, and that's how it should be.
We like to play this quiz that how well do you guys know each other? Shah Rukh Khan knows Alia Bhatt and Alia Bhatt
Oh God,
knows,
we're just getting to
you
each
can
other.
you can actually win something. You can just win something for that as well.
We are constantly competing at this.
Alright, it's like it's a headphone that you can
My purple one.
Yeah.
Gorbal or Wajid. Okay, I got this.
Okay, so so basically we'll start with ladies first. Sir?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Alright, so how well does Alia Bhatt know Shah Rukh Khan? Alright, Shah Rukh Khan has been named Rahul in numerous films. If you can name any three of them.
कुछ होता है. K3G and DDLG. No. No.
That's
right.
एक ऐसे ट्रेन वाली पिक्चर थी ना इसका टाइटल ट्रेन जैसा है डाउन साउथ.
Chennai Express.
Alright, this is true or false. Circus was Shah Rukh Khan's debut television show.
True.
Circus was Shah Rukh Khan's debut television show.
False.
अब क्या चॉइस है दोस्त? दोनों तो करवा दिए तूने.
False.
जो जैसा एडिट में ठीक लगे वो रख लो.
It's false. What was his debut? Fauji.
If it is false.
Fauji. Yeah, you are tricking me.
I was
Just a
not.
question.
It was not. I was just telling you. I'm trying to help you.
दो बार सवाल
Circus was Shah Rukh Khan's debut show. Is it true or false? So it is basically false.
False.
So we can give half.
Half
point.
a
half.
Half, sir. One and
हो
a
गया
half.
इसका.
One and a half. Which film was Shah Rukh Khan's first film as a producer? I can give you options for this.
Okay.
कुछ कुछ होता है फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी, दिल से अशोका.
Oh God. I'm gonna go with Ashoka.
That was the second film.
What was it? Film Dil Hindustani.
Dil Hindustani.
I
Okay.
was thinking Film Dil Hindustani, but I said Ashoka.
Shah Rukh Khan's dialogue "हम एक बार जीते हैं" is from which of his movies? I can give you options.
कुछ होता है.
Okay, so that's like 2.5. And Shah Rukh Khan did playback singing for
How
which
2.5?
of his?
पहला एक हुआ था.
हाँ, okay.
उसके आधा दिया था
Okay.
फॉल्स और ट्रू जो तूने दोनों बोल दिया था.
Right.
जो मैं भी ट्राई करूंगा बिकॉज़ आधा पॉइंट तो मिलेगा.
So it's 2.5. Shah Rukh Khan's first film Deewana released in which year?
I don't know. Yours
I'll
or
give you
I don't
option.
know.
91, 92, 94, 93.
92.
Correct. So it's like 3.5 she's got.
Yeah, 3.5.
Out of 5. So now is the time of Shah Rukh Khan.
बस एक और
तो
question.
3.5 हो गया ना तेरा एक हुआ वो.
अगर कुछ tie होता है then उसके लिए मैं रख रहा हूँ. Okay, what is Alia Bhatt's Twitter handle? Should I give you options?
Yeah, give.
08 यार आलिया भट्ट. आलिया हाँ बोल मुझे बता मालूम मुझे.
Okay, Alia Bhatt B, Bhatt Alia 08, Alia 08, I am Alia.
आलिया 08.
Alia 08, 10.
Alia's very bad.
When is Alia Bhatt's birthday? I'll give you options. 14 March, 12th March, 13 March, 15 March.
14 March.
12th March, 13th March, 15th March.
Aizu March.
14 March.
No.
No.
12th March.
I used to watch
15
March.
15 March. अच्छा
Okay, one.
I thought
Yeah.
Okay.
I used to watch Julius
नहीं, but
Caesar.
मुझे याद नहीं था 15 March.
Okay, Alia made acting debut as a child artist in which film? Janwar, Sangharsh, Man, BB number 1.
मुझे याद है जानवर, संघर्ष और कौन सी बताई?
Man, BB number 1.
इसमें से अक्षय की कौन सी फिल्म है?
Sangharsh.
Then संघर्ष, अक्षय वाली फिल्म.
Sangharsh and Janwar दोनों थी. Janwar भी.
जानवर कुछ नहीं था संघर्ष.
He was there.
जानवर में तो था वो.
Yeah, but संघर्ष is there.
संघर्ष, संघर्ष.
Okay, so two is there. All right. In which of the films of Alia her name was
How two?
Anand?
तो हुआ ना बेबी. तो
two.
अभी हुआ ना यार वो.
Two. सिर्फ birthday का नहीं हुआ ना?
आलिया वो
हाँ,
तो मालूम था मुझे.
Okay.
Sorry.
In which of the films of Alia her name was Ananya Swaminathan? Shandar, Udta Punjab, Two States, Humpty
Two
Sharma
states,
Chitulani.
two states.
What? How do you know this?
Three.
Oh, I've read the script ना आप साउथ थे और वो पंजाबी था ना.
Four. So he still has two questions. Alia completed her schooling from which school? R.N. Podar School, Jamnabai Nursery School, Bombay Scottish School, Campion School.
It's either Jamnabai or Campion. I think Jamnabai.
Yeah, he's already won it actually.
Clear winner.
Headphones. तारीफ मत कर, headphone दे.
So yes.
What? Two?
I think you should
मेरी ना जनरल नॉलेज की बहुत यार मैं I'm good looking, sexy and intelligent.
You're really?
Multifaceted हूँ मैं. Thank you very much for these.
How
They really go
sweet.
with my personality.
Very good.
Thank you.
So we'll start with winners first for rapid fire. So rapid fire with Shah Rukh Khan. If you have to rank Dear Zindagi in the top 5 films of yours, where will it stand, sir?
ये थोड़ा awkward है यार, but
हाँ.
I always the next one is the best one. This is my next one, and with Alia it's even more special. So yeah, this is the best one.
A moment in your life when you scream to your heart, go to hell. Dil. Is there any moment that you remember?
Can I be a little sexist and say it's a little girly thing to do? I'm too macho to say go to hell, Dil. मतलब I'm being honest.
That's
I'm really sorry. I mean like मैं माँ बहन की गाली दे सकता हूँ, but go to hell.
Okay, if you can make Alia Bhatt laugh without saying anything, can you make Alia Bhatt laugh without saying anything, sir?
And it's nice. I'm not saying it to her. I'm just talking. Ooh, I can make her laugh.
Sir, when was
I
the
can tickle her also, but then that's
Ji.
a different
Sir,
zone.
Absolutely. When was the last time when you did something for the first time, sir?
Oh, nice.
ये मेरी favorite saying है. When was the last time you did something for the first time? I am going to do with Alia. So the first time I'm going to do something with her, which we've decided. Yeah.
Great. So Alia Bhatt in Udta Punjab or Alia Bhatt in Dear Zindagi, which will be Alia's best of 2016?
I loved her in Udta Punjab, whatever bits and pieces I saw.
Ji.
I've seen the whole of Dear Zindagi.
Right.
I think comparison is odious, but she's marvelously different in both. Actually, to see the same actor do this is the most mesmerizing thing.
Fantastic. Rapid fire with Alia Bhatt. If Shah Rukh Khan, Siddharth Malhotra and Varun Dhawan pops up on your Tinder and you just have one like left, which one of them you will swipe right and why?
जिस दिन मैं Tinder पे आ गया ना दोस्त,
Why would he be on
मैं
Tinder?
Tinder पे आऊँगा.
It's a hypothetical situation. Hypothetical.
Tinder मुझ पे आ सकता है दोस्त. मैं Tinder पे कैसे आ सकता हूँ?
Hypothetical.
You know, I just got to know what Tinder is that night.
Yeah?
Yeah. मुझे पता नहीं था Tinder क्या.
But technically, he can't be on Tinder
Why?
because he's not single.
Okay, but
If
people
he
would
was
have to
To be single on Tinder.
I mean, you don't have to be, but it's good to be single.
On Tinder, okay.
Okay.
Suppose मैं single
Hypothetically, he
होता
is single.
और मैं
Hypothetically, he is
25 साल का
single.
होता.
Yes.
Or like in a big issue.
Like मैं
From student of the year till Badrinath to Dulhania, if you can describe your Zindagi in 3 words.
Oh, it'd be very sad if I can describe my Zindagi in 3 words.
but
Okay.
use some nice adjectives and stuff.
Okay.
Like verb वाले. Go on. I think it's exciting and tantalizing.
No, I would say hope, red, and dharma.
Oh wow.
Wow. Your first reaction when you got to know that you were doing a film opposite Shah Rukh Khan?
I mean,
She dried her hair.
yes, that
It was
actually
like-
happened. But I
Right.
didn't dry it. I came wet.
came
I was wet.
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan is a better actor or better looker?
Oh, I don't. Why can't he be both?
If you have to maybe choose one, if you can.
अभी looks कह दे.
Okay, a better look.
Last question, a scene of Shah Rukh Khan you wish you should have been a part of. Is there any scene of Shah Rukh Khan that you wish from all the movies that you've done? that he
The
has
most
done?
iconic scene. Palat.
Palat. Okay. Telugu वाले दिन में
Oh yeah.
I would like to be the one he wants to correct.
मैं करता हूँ मैं.
Fantastic. It's very difficult to choose like who can be possible winner, but I think we'll give.
There's a winner for this one?
Yeah, there's a winner for this.
Now you can
So,
give
sir,
Can we change colors?
yeah.
I'll this is a color. There's a color, so you can.
we'll change
So this
color.
is for Alia Bhatt.
Thank you.
So she's the winner on
So sweet.
Rapid Fire Bollywood Hungama. Thank
Actually,
you very
I
much.
really needed headphones. Thank you for giving
No,
them
it's
to
a good
me.
one. It's a good one. I'm sure that you like it. Thank you very much, and looking forward to Dear Zindagi, sir. And
Thank you.
all the best wishes for.
Thank you, Faizan.
Thank you, sir.
God
Thank you,
bless
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Continue exercising.
Thank
you,
Be
sir.
as fit as you are.
Thank you,
and
sir.
happy
Thank you.
always. God bless you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.